Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few cute tops that I got from Meesho. They are all perfect for the spring summer season. They are all under 500 rupees और ये इतने सुंदर हैं. All of them, they are so cute. मुझे तो विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था that I got them all from Meesho. And I have also seen a lot of creators wearing the same tops. So you will know that they are actually good tops. और मैंने भी ये सारे tops अपने पैसे से लिया है. They are not something, it's not a sponsored video, so it's gonna be a real review. So if you are interested in that, let's get into the video. But before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with the most beautiful top I have found on Meesho ever. This is such a coquette inspired top. Again, I hate using that word, but the best way to explain this top's vibe is to use that word. It is pink, has white lace work on it, has a ribbon and everything. It's a ribbed top, so it's stretchy and it will fit your body like a glove. ये 100% cotton का बना हुआ है, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It has lace work all around the neck and the back from front to back. और इसके sleeves के नीचे भी वही same lace का work है. And it has got bell sleeves. There is some elastic on the top part of the sleeves. There is also this little ribbon below the lace. Also there is elastic on the sides, the rim sides of the top, that gives it a little ruched look. मैंने इसको medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly, just like a glove. It's a crop top, but it does cover your body perfectly as well. At the price, it's a really good top. There are so many different ways to style it. Next up is another super cute top. This is such a classic top. It is so cute and yet so versatile. It's a ribbed top and it will fit you like a glove. ये 100% cotton का बना हुआ है, तो ये बहुत ही comfortable है. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's a very basic top with the exception of the applique. The applique is also made up of cotton clothing material and it is quite big. It has a flower, a stem and two leaves on it. Another unique thing about the top is it is a bit longer from the front. पीछे से ये crop top है, पर आगे से ये normal length का top है. It protrudes a bit from the front. Look at the layers this flower has. It looks super cute. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. If you are looking to jazz up your casual, boring fits a bit, you can wear this tank top. Maybe you want to wear a shirt with a tank inside instead of your basic white tank top, go for this one. Next up is another tank top with a twist. This one is a graphic printed tank top that has lace on it. This one is a ribbed top as well, so it will fit your body like a glove. मैंने इसको medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. I love the color of the top, even though on the website you can clearly see that it looks beige. The color I got it in is butter yellow, but trust me, I'm not complaining. I like this better anyways. It has lace all around the neck from the front to the back, and it also has lace around the armholes. The word cherry bomb and the cherries are kind of a stuck in picture kind of a thing. It's not really a print. It's made up of 100% cotton, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. I got it in size medium and it fits me perfectly. This is another top that you can replace with your basic tank and cami top. At the price, it's really good. Next up is this super sexy black lace top. Lace has been going around and this is one trend that I'm totally on board with and I'm totally loving. This top is totally see-through, so you might want to wear something on the inside. I went with a little white cami top because I wanted to try the color contrast thing. इसके lace का quality भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. It has these little tiny flowers on it. The best part about the top is literally that it is asymmetrical. It's much longer from the front. That too in one side, which makes the top so interesting. The sleeves this one has are adjustable, which is amazing. ये एक top है जिसको आप बहुत अलग-अलग तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. You can wear it with contrasting colors or colors that go well together, or you could just wear it with a black cami on the inside. You can tone it down and style it casually for daily purposes, or just go all out and style it for special occasions. It is not rough or uncomfortable on the skin. It's very airy and breathable. ये पॉलिएस्टर का बना हुआ है पर ये बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. I got it in size medium and it fits me perfectly. For a casual, more wearable look, you could just tuck the top inside your trousers. At the price, it's a really good top. ये टॉप काफ़ी टाइट स्किन फिटिंग है, तो अगर आपको ये थोड़ा लूज चाहिए, I would suggest you size up one size. Next up is another lacy tank top. I got this in pastel blue color and it is super cute. It has these buttons in the middle of the top up front, but ये buttons किसी काम के नहीं हैं, they are just for show. It is another tank top जिसको आप अपने basic tank tops के साथ replace कर सकते हो. इसको आप ऐसे ही पहन सकते हो, अपने shirts के साथ layer कर सकते हो. इसको आप अपने long Indian maxi skirts के साथ style कर सकते हो for a more Indo-Western look. This is a ribbed top as well, so this will fit you like a glove as well. It's got lace all around the neck from the front to the back. Also, the sleeves have lace on both sides. ये 100% cotton का बना हुआ है, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. और मैंने इसको भी medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. ये top नीचे से unstitched है, which gives it a very cute look. At the price, it's a really good top. Next up is this black crop top, and for the price this top is available at, it's a really good catch. This looks very classy as well. Another top which is very versatile that can be styled in so many different ways. ये भी कॉटन का बना हुआ है, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. This is another ribbed top that is gonna fit you really perfectly. It has got this lettuce look from the front in contrasting white color, which looks really cute and which is what add the oomph factor to the top. There are no buttons or anything in there though. There is this lettuce work at the end of the top and the end of the sleeves as well. This top is very simple and yet it's super cute and unique. मैंने इसको भी medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. There are so many ways to style this one as well. At the price, it's a really good top. Next up is this off-the-shoulder full sleeve top. The top looks pretty similar to what's shown on the picture except for the color. Picture में इसका color थोड़ा brownish है. The color that I received it in is butter yellow again. Again, not complaining. I really love the color butter yellow and it's a color that's perfect for the spring. There are certain characters to the top that makes it as special as it is. The fact that it is starting off with the fact that it is asymmetrical, it is pointy from both the front and the back, but it is a little bit asymmetrical. One side of the point is a little shorter than the other side, so it's not 45 degree. Also it's got lettuce detailing at the ends of the top and on the sleeves, which look really cute, and the off the shoulder detailing is super adorable as well. The top is so wide Y2K, yet it is so classy. There are so many different ways to style this one. This is a ribbed top as well, तो ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से फिट होगा और ये कॉटन का भी बना हुआ है, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. Except it is a full sleeve top, so you will be warmer in this than you will be in a top that does not have full sleeves. At the price, it's a really good top. मैंने इसको भी मीडियम साइज में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, comment down below and I will definitely make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.